Hi guys, today I'm making bosciola pasta with these ingredients. I've got onions and Thai chilies, the nice strong ones. I've got some diced bacon, mushrooms and ham. So I'm going to start off by browning the onions and the chilies with some garlic. So you can see just in the pot, I've got quite a bit of garlic there and putting in some natural sea salt. Not too much because the bacon already has some salt in it. It's smoked and salted. And then some black pepper just for taste. And then I'm going to put in some oregano. This is not your traditional method. This is what I've done and executed for quite a few times, and it really is tasty. So as the onions become transparent, I then add in all of the mushrooms and then put the lid on and let that simmer away so all those juices from the mushrooms can penetrate and soak into the onions as well. So let's have a look. Oh, doesn't that look great? So the sauce of the mushrooms is now coming out, which will then cause and be most of the sauce for the meal. Just checking. Oh, that looks amazing. See, the screen's a bit hazed up with the thing. You can see that has really reduced nicely now. And the sauce, which ultimately is going to be combined with the cream I'm going to put in, is really going to be amazing, and it smells divine. I just added in the bacon pieces, and I am going to let this now simmer and cook through, and this will be followed by the ham right at the end, and then with the cream that is going to then simmer and thicken to create the whole dish. So you can see that everything is cooked down, and now I'm going to add in the ham and just let that cook through before I add the cream to make a beautiful sauce. So now let me open up and you can see how it's going. And what I do now is I've reduced the temperature quite a bit, and I add in half a liter of cream. You can see how that is looking. And just mix that up a bit and then let it simmer without the lid on so that the cream can thicken. I find that cooking all of the ingredients together compared to pre-frying the bacon, this adds all of the flavor and you keep all of that flavor inside your sauce. Enjoy. Isn't that looking amazing? Just give it a quick stir. Oh, I'm looking forward to this. Now it's just to let it simmer and thicken, and we're gonna have some amazing pasta. Now with the water boiling, I'll the pasta and just wait for that to cook up, and then we are ready to eat. And that's busy bubbling away, almost thickened enough for the sauce.